Rajani of HDFC Securities joining us on the show. Vinay, hi, good afternoon. And like Ashesha was saying, at an index level, it looks like a softer start for the market today, though you have IT that's outperforming. A bunch of stocks on their updates and earnings are doing well. But talk to us about first the broad view at the index level. How are you looking at this number, 24,150? It's looking like a sticky number for now. We've managed to hold on to that. But what could be some next levels to watch out for? And can we expect to see an incremental scale up in this Nifty number in the days to come for this week?
Yeah, good afternoon, and
Good
thanks for
afternoon.
having me on the show. So, Nifty is consolidating relatively, it is underperforming the broader market. On 8th of July, we saw a significant sell off, and the big red candle was seen on the daily chart of Nifty. And that day's high was 24,300, and on the lower side, the low was 23,800. So, right now, Nifty is oscillating between this 8th July range. 24,300 on the upside, 24,300 is on the upside, 23,800 on the downside. So this is the range from which Nifty needs to register some breakout. So 24,300 is a level to watch out for getting bullish momentum back into the Nifty. But the good thing is that broader markets have been performing very well. In fact, we saw Nifty mid cap index hitting an all-time high on the last day of the last session of the last week. So that is a very good development. Micro cap, small cap, still they are outperforming. So most of the stocks in these broader markets have been doing well, and we are outperforming, and we have started doing well, better than the emerging markets as well. So that is a very good sign. So I think as far as Nifty is concerned, we are waiting for the breakout about 24,300. I think IT is the sector which is performing very well, and it has reversed a bit, and consumer durable NBFC space has also participated well. So there is a good chance of breaking out about 24,300 that we are expecting in Nifty. But as long as we are getting good returns and good alpha in the broader markets like mid cap and small caps, the traders should have more focus towards that space, which is giving good momentum right now. So right now we are recommending more from the mid cap, small cap space, and waiting for breakout in the Nifty about 24,300.
For 300 is what we're going to be watching out for, and the tilt from your end is clearly towards the SMIDs. But when I talk to us about Nifty IT, on the day when the market is largely soft and you've got majority of the sectors that are in the red, you've got some very good show of support coming in from the Nifty IT index. Talk to us about some levels that you're watching out at the overall index level, and even in terms of the constituents, which ones are looking stronger?
Yeah, so Nifty IT index witnessed a more than 40% correction from its all-time high, which was registered in 2024. And from that level, now Nifty IT index has actually reversed its trend from its long-term support of 26,000. So that is a nice level to reverse. And I think now it is registering some follow-ups also. Some results are also coming better than expectations. So it is improving on the charts. 2 weeks back, there was a bullish hammer candlestick pattern on the weekly chart of Nifty IT index, and after that, we can see some follow-up coming in. So we expect still there is a steam left in this index, almost 1,000 point. From 29,000, we are expecting this index to extend this pullback rally up to 30,000. So yes, we can expect good upside in the large cap IT stocks, some of the mid caps also. So looking good, though it is up by 3.5% today, but we expect that this rally could continue because this entire sector and majority of these stocks from this particular sector were into a deeply oversold territory. So we can expect good returns in the coming days, and at least in the short term, we are expecting that at least 4 to 5% upside could be there in the IT index as well as the many large cap stocks and mid cap stocks also.
Good. So that's the opinion when it comes to IT. When I lastly also share with us your stock specific recommendations, any stocks that are looking good in a market like this?
Yeah. So as I said, we are bullish on the IT space, and one of the stock which has already announced the result, and it looks like that after getting oversold, this stock trend has reversed. That is LTI Mindtree. So LTM, which is placed around 4115, 4120, one can go long. I would suggest a trading stop loss at 4,000. On the upside, we are expecting an immediate target at 4,300. The second stock I would choose from the consumer durable consumption space, that is a Titan. So after showing some gap up opening few days back, it consolidated a bit and now seems to have resumed the uptrend. So Titan around 4600 one can go long. 4500 should be the trading stop loss. On the upside, we are expecting a target of 4750.
Okay, so LTM and Titan looking good to you. On that note, Vinay, thank you so much for your time. And viewers, LTM, a little bit about this stock. Earnings candidate numbers came over the weekend. Largely inline set of numbers. We're going to be interacting with the management later today at 2 o'clock. So watch out for that. Just today, a few hours ago, in fact, they've announced a partnership with Anthropic as well. And that is what has got the stock so excited, a 3% uptick on LTM. We're going to be interacting with the management at 2 p.m., so catch that conversation later today. But on that note, time to slip into a very short break. We'll be right back with more news and updates on the other side. Stay tuned.